just summarise for us what we've been hearing?
Well, we just heard from Lord Hodge, who was presiding over this case. There were 5 judges who were making this incredibly difficult decision, but he said that it was an unanimous decision between the 5 judges, that in the case of the Equality Act, the 2010 Equality Act, when it refers to woman or sex, it is referring to biological sex and not somebody who has a gender recognition certificate. That was what this case rested on. It was effectively the judges here were being asked to make a decision on the correct interpretation of the Equality Act. Was it limited to biological sex, or could it also include someone with a gender recognition certificate? But today the judges have decided and ruled in favour of For Women Scotland. They were the ones who appealed against the Scottish Government. They wanted to have clarity on the law in regarding this, and they have indeed had that clarity. I mean, you can hear some of the people behind me clearly delighted by the news today from the Supreme Court that when it comes to the Equality Act, it is referring women and sex is referring to biological sex. Now, this will be welcomed by For Women Scotland, but of course there will be transgender campaigners and those in the transgender community who will be very disappointed by the decision today at the Supreme Court.